Hello everyone, today I gonna share you how to find out better website structure and landing page design for Google Ads campaign. Why our Google Ads campaign don't get better results and why cannot get better performance my campaign. You see your competitors get many leads and phone calls also sales from Google Ads, but you cannot get better results from Google Ads. So what is the problem? So as a Google Ads expert for specifically working local businesses, I know why you cannot get better results. Most Google Ads campaign fail not because of poor ads. Okay, you think poor ads, I also think poor ads, but because of poor websites or landing page design. Also, 60% problem is poor websites and landing page design. In most local business cases, 60% of the problem is attributed to the websites and 40% is attributed to the ad setup. The 60% website problem, so slow loading speeds. Your websites slowly. When you scroll down and see the website is slow, you visit the another pages you see loaded. Okay, this is slow websites. Also, you need to ensure your websites visible in mobile phone. When as a customers or buyer in open your websites their phone, then they scroll and then open, they see the loading speed. This is bad loading speed. Okay, within 2 to 3 seconds your website's visible first to last with all image and text. Home page used as a ad destination. You not focus website home page. You need to focus a specific service based landing page. Also, you need to make a specific service based landing page. When you run a Google Ads, you just use your home page. Okay, so which is home page? This is home page. Okay, this is home page. This is not service based page. Okay, you detail discuss your service. When you make a specific service based landing page, you just focus specific services category, how you provide this service. Okay, so phone number is too much information, no visual flow. You added many texts not good. Okay, as a business owner you need to understand, you need to think about it as a buyer. When you visit a website, you see many texts, not an image, not video content, not coloring, not logo, which type brand they use. Okay, I use the mobile friendly, then you need to understand. Okay, this is image, this header section is good. Also added get and code. Okay, you need to include within 1 second open the lead from button, not loading and convert another second pages. You need to confirm, click and then show the pop-up within 1 second. This is okay. You see loading speed, this is bad loading speed. Also I have problem making videos in these websites, slow website. Okay. Now 5 number is no trust elements. You need to add a trust elements. Missing reviews, photos, certification. When you work or give the service real projects, you need to make some photos, videos, need to show websites. When you work in real project, you need to pick up some photos and then use to websites. Okay, mobile friendly, you need to must be ensure mobile friendly. Also, many people use mobile phone for call or submitted from. And the 7th number is this is very important part. This is technical part. Also, business owner cannot understand Google Ads conversion tracking setup. Without Google Ads conversion tracking setup, your Google Ads cannot understand what they need and what you do need from Google Ads. Okay, Without Google Ads understand your goal, so how they get better results from Google Ads. Okay, this is some problem. Now I detail discuss these websites, how to better structure. Okay, now you see services roof repair. Roof repair for which type roof repairs? Commercial or residential? Okay, residential mean home, family, or commercials means business specific. Roof replacements. Which type roof replacements? For residential, roofing, commercial. Okay, commercial roofing. Which types commercial roofing? Residential. Sorry, commercial roofing repair, replacement, or new install. Cannot I understand. So, okay, when I click this commercial roofing, I need commercial roofing repair. Okay, but I see this, I cannot understand this image. This is repair service or replacement service. Okay, when you make a specific commercial roofing repair service pages, so as a Google Ads expert, I use this specific landing page for a specific campaign. When they visit searches do commercial roofing repair, then see our ad on Google, then click and then see best commercial roofing repair services in this location. Okay, then they better understand this is best for commercial roofing repair services. Okay, they need repair, not replacement, not installation. And this location near our home. Okay, this location also good for your customers. Okay, so the same to make roof replacement. You can make a specific 3 landing page on the roof replacements: residential roof replacement, residential roof repair, residential roof installation. Also, you can make gutter. Okay, now commercial roofing. This is also same. Okay, now code you need to add a lead from button. Direct use first name. Okay, first name, full name, email, phone number. This is 3. And when you get her phone number, you can details talk to their address and message. Okay, when you added many information, they cannot interest submit too many information. Okay, this is a better website structure and design. This website added many texts. Okay, and you can add many texts, but strategically use this image. This is good image. When they read in and see their image, and this buyer or homeowners can understand that this is a real service provider. Then read in, then see a CTA button, get code, free code button. Then they can interest, submit a code, call now, request a consultation, then scroll, then need to see again CTA button, submit a code, call now, then they can, this is good, then they can read in, then very interest, call you, then direct within 1 second they see call now button or get a free code button, they definitely submit a lead from you. Also you get a lead, targeted lead. Okay, this is a perfect website structure. I think you understand now. I think the why websites and ad must work together. Google Ads get traffic, but the websites must convert the traffic into sales, leads, conversions. Okay, you need to add this type of text. Affordable roof replacement in CX was also this is type of keywords. Affordable roof replacement service, roof replacement services in CX was. Like when as a Google Ads expert, I use this type of keywords in Google Ads. Also this type of keywords in your website. So Google Ads performance is very high, and you can get leads. Okay. Headline, you need to edit headline, keyword based headline, keyword based ad copy in your websites. Okay, tools need to set up WordPress elementary. You can make a specific landing page design, speed optimization, form tracking, contact from 7 or Elementor form. Okay, this is a short introduction how to get better results from Google Ads. You need to must make better websites. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my videos.